Right then, so I'm gonna mess around with my Vim status line. Just to see what I can get, really. I'll show you my one I've got now. So you can see the status line across the bottom. On the left hand side I've got which mode I'm in. That purple bar tells me what kind of folder I'm in. So if I'm doing C, it'll say C. If I'm doing Vim, it'll say Vim. If I'm doing Lua, it'll say Lua. Python, it'll be PY, and so on. The orange bit then is the directory I'm in and what folder I'm in, and just gives me the rundown of the path I'm at. Over the right hand side, that green one is what row I'm in, and then the column. The little blue one next door is how far down the file I am. So as you can see, I'm 100% because there's nothing there. And then the total right is total characters, I think. I think it's total characters. So I'm just gonna mess around with it and see what I can do. So if I get out of this for a minute, then if I vim into my Vimasi, you can see I'm pulling folders from my so I'm just sourcing folders from my Vim folder just to keep everything. I'll show you it now. So if I just comment this out for now, okay, so it doesn't open the status line, save it and then quit. I'll cd into my .vim folder, and then if I just open Vim, you can see my status line is now gone. So this is my Vim folder. You can see I've got the color scheme, key maps, init.lua, which is the file tree, options, snippets, and status line. So I just kept everything separate files there, so it's easier to change it if I want to change it. What I'm going to do is set up a new file, call it statusline2.vim, statusline2.vim, and now I can just mess about with what I need in it, really. So first of all, if I set statusline, okay, right, so set statusline. So the first thing I could set, so there's a few things you do. You can always go to help statusline and everything will come up. If for now I just show you a couple of things we can do. Statusline, because we've put that equal sign first, we can do plus equals. Oh, that's right. I'm getting used to a new keyboard, so the enter key is a bit weird, in a weird place, so I'm hitting other things rather than the enter key itself. We can go, let's see, %y, backspace, need a y, save it and then reload. Nothing happens because I'm not calling it. So if I go back to, I need to go my Vimasi. So I call it statusline2. So if I cd out and I go vim.rc file, so what I commented out at the start, if I change that, and because my file now is Vimasi2, it should load up with, I got vim / on the bottom now, because I'm in that folder at the moment. What's status type, so I'm in Vim at the moment, right? So if I go out now, because I can call that constantly, if I cd into my .vim and then vim, have a look at statusline2, because that's what I'm now calling. Get rid of that net blue. So percent to the end after. Right, so set status line. We should be able to change stuff now. See you pressing that enter all the time. Right, so if I hit F now, let's try F, and now I can save and then reload. Gives me my file domain. Don't actually need that afterwards at the moment. I'll show you when we need it. There we go. So the first one is the file type, and then so I make it a bit thing. Okay, so if I do this, set status line. Well, again, it's the blinking thing all the time. So if I go percent, is that pound sign? I need hashtag. I can go file, file type, So the file type is the Y. I need another hashtag. Didn't work. I'm in insert mode. Alt, that's right. Okay, so that gives me that, and then I can set status line plus equals, what have we got here? So percent again. Let's do two quickly. So the F is the path. So the path I'm at for this file. So if I go file path, okay. There's another reason I'm doing this for doing the percent hashtag or pound sign file type stuff like that. It means you can highlight it afterwards, after the fact, after you finished everything. So if I go set status line plus equals, let's see, let's try an M next. So percent M, this should be, so okay, instead of just doing that every time, you can just do V for the line, yank it, and then paste it afterwards. So we've got that ready. So I need percent. Yeah, I got it. Hashtag, and then what we got? The mode I'm in. Oh, if it's modified. So I go file modified, and I can reload that. So you notice nothing's changed. If I go little plus on the bottom, I'll do it again. So at the bottom, at the bottom part on the bottom left, if I change something, you can see that little plus coming up. That shows that I have modified the file and it hasn't been saved since I've modified, which is, I like it. It's quite good. It's quite good. Right, so if we now want to highlight these things, okay, we can call highlight, and then the hashtag file type, we can just call file type. This is CTerm. It still works with GUI if you've set GUI. I'll show you that later. for now we'll just keep on using CTerm for now, and then later on I'll show you how to, if you've set the GUI color scheme, then you can set the same thing. So if we go CTerm foreground, let's set it 16, that's black, I think. Yeah, black, I think. And then CTerm background equals 97. I think that is orange or purple. We'll have a look now. We'll just save and then reload, and you can see where the Vim is, it's turned to a nice purple. Sorry, it's purple. Okay. You can do the same then with highlight. What was our next one? File path. Again, CTerm FG is foreground, so that's the writing, the text. So it's kind of a grey blacky colour. And then CTerm FG is foreground. Let's try 136. Oh, I want that P there, and then we can reload, and we've turned the wrong thing. Ah, that's right. We want BG instead of FG over there. So when we reload now, you can see it'll flip. There we are. So we've got a nice colour there. Okay. I wonder if it matters now if I put things in. So if I put that in there, before it was showing up, I think now. No. Oh, I know. No. Oh, right. So if I put a space after that. So put down a space after it. Now, if I reload, it just gives a little gap on the end of each one, so it just looks a bit tidier. There's many other things you can do. Let me know if you'd like to see more of this, and I can just post another video and, you know, edit it a bit more, and, you know, show you what more we can do with the status line. Thanks. See you next time.